Oxidation rules are given as follows: the four or five rules. Oxidation number of free elements is zero, like in the case of hydrogen. In its free state like this, it is always zero. Oxidation number of combined hydrogen is no longer zero, but this case plus one. That of oxygen is minus two. That of a charged particle is equal to charge on it. So any charge you see on a species is equal to the charge on it. So oxidation number of all elements, sum of every element in the compound is always equals to zero. So with this rule, you can be able to identify or dictate a reaction that is redox. For example, H plus ion plus OH minus ion, and all of these things together will give you H2. Or if I have H2 H2 plus O2 equals to equals to H2O. So if I want to balance this equation here, I have something like this. So if I want to know which of these two reactions are redox, so this information will help us to do that. For example, position number of a charged particle. This is a charged particle because of this ion. So charge on this is plus one. Okay. Remember that we said the oxidation number of combined oxygen. These two, oxygen and hydrogen, is combined. So here is minus two. Combined hydrogen, this is combined, is plus one. Okay. So but the charge on it is minus one. So if you add all these things here, minus one. Combined hydrogen this time is plus one, and combined oxygen here is minus two. Okay. So now this reaction, now to know if it is a redox reaction, H here is plus one, H here is also plus one. So there is no significant change in the reaction of these two species. O here is minus two, O here is minus two, so there is no change in their oxidation states. Okay, H is plus one, H is plus one, there is no change. So this reaction is not the redox reaction. The redox reaction, one species will increase, one species will decrease. So in this case, none is increasing, none is increasing. So but in the second equation, if you look at this rule here, you see that also number of a free element. This H2 is a free element because there's no other atom that is combined with. So in this case, it is zero, so I will assign zero here immediately. The same thing with oxygen, since it's not added with another atom. So the two of the reactants are zero. But now H is combined with O. So we now check the rule that says that combined hydrogen, since it's combined, is plus one.